Hello everyone. Today we're getting into something that might just change the way you support others and carry your own struggles as a believer. You see, in Galatians 6, Paul seems to say two different things. In verse 2, he says, carry each other's burdens, and in this way you will fulfill the law of Christ. Then in verse 5, he states, for each one should carry their own load. So, which is it? Are we meant to carry our own stuff or each other's? Well, here's the key. The Greek words Paul uses are different. Burden in verse 2 is baros in Greek, which means a crushing weight, something too heavy to carry alone. The word load in verse 5 is phortion in Greek. Now, this is more like a backpack. It's your personal assignment from God, your responsibility, your spiritual growth, and your daily life. Now, you see, a burden is something that's beyond someone's strength, like grief or tragedy or even deep sinful struggles. That's when we come alongside someone else to help them lift. But a load, well, that's your walk with God. That's yours to carry. And mature Christians learn to discern the difference. It's not loving to take on someone's load, as they need to walk that road with the Lord. But it's also not loving to ignore someone's burden. That's when we as believers and the church steps in. So, if you're burned out, always helping, maybe you've been carrying someone else's backpack. And if you're overwhelmed and no one's helping, it might be time to humbly ask for help with that burden. You see, grace leads us to carry what's ours and help lift what others can't. And please, subscribe to help me spread the truth of Jesus Christ. Thank you.